Ciao a tutti! Did you know that if you mix yogurt with salt and leave it in the fridge overnight, you'll have creamy cream cheese the next morning? It's delicious and even cheaper than a regular cream cheese spread. The great thing is that it contains no additives. In addition, more fat in the yogurt means more proteins for you. So don't wait. Get your yogurt and salt, mix it briefly and put it in a clean linen towel. Cover it with a heavy plate and let it overnight in the fridge. This cream cheese also contains the minerals calcium and potassium. They are important for your bone building. It is also a great source of protein for your children who needs more of them than an adult each day, perfect for breakfast or lunchtime. Enjoy your creamy cream cheese on a slice of bread.